Welcome once again to today's physics class. Let's continue from where we stopped. We are looking at the concept of position, distance, and displacement. Now we want to solve this question. The question says, what is the distance between point A? We have the coordinates 9 and 6, and B, 5 and 3. Remember I told you we have a formula. There's a formula to calculate the distance between 2 points. If you wish, you can illustrate with the axis, the Cartesian plane. But if you don't want to do that, let's just state the formula. We said that was the distance between 2 points. We can say d equal to the square root of x2 minus x1, then squared, plus y2 minus y1 all squared. So we are using this formula. In my previous video, I made the illustration where I use the axis. We have the x and y axis. This is your y, this is your x. So we have here, let's say point here, we have x1, then x2, we have a y1, we have what, y2. Now, this coordinate we form here, where we have x1 and y1, this is your y1, then this one coordinate we form this way, where we have x2 and y2. Now, looking at this coordinate given to us here, our x1 and what, y1, we have a large number here. So these are x1 and y1. We can call this one here point A. That's point A here. This will give us 9 and 6. Okay, that's 9 and 6. Then remember the distance they want us to calculate is here, and this point B here says 5 and 3. So which means our x2 5, y3 y2 is what, 3. Now let us plug it into this formula, which will become d equal to the square root of x2 is 5 minus x1 is 9, then square it, plus y2 is what, 3, minus y1 is what, 6, then you square it. Let us go, becomes d equal to the square root of 5 minus 9 is negative 4. Remember, square will affect both the negative sign, plus this gives us what, negative 3. We also square it. Now, in squaring that, we're going to have the root of 16 plus the root of, that's 9. So your d becomes the root of 25. And the answer becomes 5 units, okay? We don't put SI units here. We just put 5 units because it's a distance between 2 points. Okay, this is how we calculate the distance. If we have 3 values, for example, x, y, z, this is how you also do that. In that of x, y, z, the formula will become your d equal to the square root of x1, x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all squared plus z2 minus z1 all squared. So we use this formula, and at the end of the day, you will be given 3 values in each coordinate. This is how we calculate distance between 2 points. So my next video, we'll be looking at vectors and scalar quantities, as well as knowing how they are represented. So please stay tuned, like, follow, and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Physics and Mathematics Lovers. Bye.